In this video, we will be having a short quiz on a specific topic. It is shortened to 10 items only, and you are expected to finish in 30 seconds. There will be no answer keys, for they will be discussed with your teacher. Label your answers with the video ID and the date when you took the quiz. Good luck! This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Ito ay libreng serbisyo mula sa inyong lingkod para sa kabataang Pilipino. Para makamit ang tagumpay, kailangan tulong-tulong tayo. Upang maging epektibo ang iyong pag-aaral, kailangan i-monitor ninyo ang speed ng bawat take ng exam. Ready? Item number 1. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 2. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 3. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 4. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 5. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 6. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 7. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 8. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 9. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 10. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Congratulations! Here is item number 1. The first 4 terms of the sequence are the following: 5, 10, 15, and 20. And we are looking for the 9th term of the sequence. How will you do it? Will it be manual or with a formula? Since we are looking for a sequence, we have to analyze the given data. The first term is 5, followed by 10, followed by 15, and the last one is 20. Find the difference between the first and the second term. Please take note that differences between terms is 5. In the formula 5n, let n be the number of the term. For the first term, we will substitute n as 1, so 5 times 1 is equal to 5. How about term number 2? Let's try doing it. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Is the formula giving you the right answer? Let's try the third term if it is giving the right answer. Let us check term number 4 if it gives you the right answer. Now, we are very sure that such equation fits the sequence. The question is, what is the 9th term of the sequence? Upang mas lalo nating maintindihan ang sequence, isinama ko na rin ang 10th, 11th, and 12th term. Let us find the value of the 9th term. The value of the 9th term is 45. How about the 10th, 11th, and 12th? Yan, kahit hindi tinatanong sa question, sinama ko na rin upang pag-aralan ninyo. Take a look with the difference of each term. Tigli-5 sila, di ba? Item number 2 has the following first 4 terms: 9, 11, 13, and 15. And we are looking for the 99th term. Let us analyze the first 4 terms. We should take a look also on the difference between terms. Let us try this equation. 2 times n plus 7 is equal to the term. For the first term, 9 is correct. For the second term, 11 is correct. For the third term, we have 2 times 3 is equal to 6 plus 7 is equal to 13, and it is correct. And the fourth term is also correct. Now let's find the value of the 99th term. The 99th term has a value of 205. In order to have a better view on sequencing, sinama ko na rin ang 100th, 101st, and 102nd term. Dahil alam na natin ang difference between terms, alam na natin ang susunod na value ng term. So ang value ng 100th term ay 207. Pagkatapos ng 102nd term, ano kaya ang susunod? Item number 3. For this example, kindly take a look with the increasing value of differences. May kinalaman kaya ang exponent sa kanilang paglobo? Tingnan nga natin kung tama ang ating ginamit na equation. For term number 1, 1 squared plus 8 is equal to 9. That's correct. For term number 2, 2 squared plus 8 is equal to 12. That is also correct. For the third term, we have 3 squared is equal to 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. And that is correct. The last term, we have 4 squared is equal to 16 plus 8 is equal to 24. And our equation is correct. Let us find the value of the 99th term. Isinama ko na rin ang mga succeeding terms. Item number 4. Item number 5. Item number 6. Item number 7. Item number 8. Item number 9. Item number 10. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.